Hey, what's going on, guys? Gonna make a quick video about how to watch the new Infinite movie with Mark Wahlberg, which is right over here, for free with a trial with Paramount Plus. They're actually offering a free 1 month. And so if you have a smart TV or if you have an Amazon Fire TV stick like I have here, first thing you're gonna need to do is download the Paramount Plus app. You can just literally use the remote control to speech it. It'll pop up, or search apps in your smart TV or Amazon Fire TV stick right here. I actually, while I'm cooking dinner, signed up for Paramount Plus. The promo code is movies for 1 month free. And that is going on till June 30th of 2021. The movie just came out June 10th. It's about 3 days later, and I really wanted to watch it without paying, so I'm gonna use it for 1 month. If you love it, stick with it. If not, cancel, and it actually tells you what time you have to cancel it by before they do charge you. I went for the cheaper plan for only $4.99. As long as you cancel before that month, you can watch it for free. Because it's just easier to type in all your information, credit card, etc. I did it over the phone. Now what I'm gonna have to do here is I'm gonna download the Paramount Plus app. That is free. To download the app, I'm going to sign in with the information I already inputted into the Paramount Plus on my cell phone. I'm going to sign in, and then I'm going to click on the movie and going to be able to watch it for free as long as I cancel within 30 days. So when I clicked on the actual icon of Infinite right here, it says watch with Paramount Plus 7-day trial. I actually got 30 days free signing up online, so you might want to keep that in mind. Watch trailer, more ways to watch, etc. That's if you click on it on that right there. So let's go ahead and go over to the blue one actually. Click on this and we should be able to sign in. Yep. First, we're going to download it down here. So we're going to go ahead and click on get. It's going to process that. All right. So now that you downloaded the app, again, now you have to sign in down over here. You can sign up if you want right over here, but see right here, it says try it free, $4.99 a month, cancel anytime. I just sign up over your cell phone or online on your laptop and then sign in with that information there. How would you like to sign in on the web, on the app, on my TV? And you just enter that information right here. So once you sign in over there, right there, movies on the left-hand side, we're gonna go ahead and click on that. And then Infinite will be right on top, right up here. And let's go ahead and click that and I'll watch it, cancel within 30 days. And I've watched it for free. Watch movie. Let's roll. There we go, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Definitely sign up before that day is done. June 30th, I believe they're going to cut off that promo code for 30 days. This will obviously get full HD here. Just take a second. There we go. Thumbs that video up if you wouldn't mind and subscribe on your way out. We'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos. Continue to watch. We'll see you soon.